Let's understand the concept of an area in this video. So what does area mean? The area is a measure of how much space is inside a two-dimensional shape. Okay, but then how do we measure the space? Let's understand with an example. We have a shape here and we want to find its area. That means, as per the definition, measure the space inside the shape. So how do we do that? To understand how to find the area of a shape, we will use a grid method. So let's draw this shape on the grid. Now each small square on this grid has a side of, let's say, 1 centimeter. That means all four sides of this square are 1 centimeter. So each square is 1 square centimeter. Now when we draw a shape on the grid, we can find its area, which means measure the space inside the shape by counting the number of small squares inside the shape. Then let's count how many small squares are there inside this shape. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 small squares inside this shape. Therefore, area of this shape is 17 square centimeter and we write it as 17 centimeters squared, where 2 means squared. Now area is always measured in square units like square centimeters, square meters or square inches. Let's take one more shape on the grid. Here each small square on the grid has a side of 1 meter. That means each small square is 1 square meter. So once again, to find the area of this shape, we will count the number of small squares inside this shape. You can pause this video and find the area of this shape by counting the number of small squares inside this shape. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 small squares inside this shape. Hence, the area of this shape is 15 square meters and we write it as 15 meter squared. Now let's find area of this shape on the grid. Here, each small square on this grid has a side of 1 inch. That means each small square is 1 square inch. Now have you noticed this shape does not fit perfectly on the grid? It does not have all whole squares. There is a triangle here, here, here and here too. Then how do we find the area of such a shape? So first we will count all small whole squares. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 small whole squares. Now the triangle here is half of the whole square. So is this triangle and this too. Now if we join these two triangles, it would make one perfect whole grid square, right? Yes, it would. Similarly, these two triangles would make one perfect whole grid square. Thus, we got two whole grid squares out of these four triangles. Therefore, together there are 13 plus 2 equals 15 small squares inside the shape. Hence, the area of this shape is 15 square inches and we write it as 15 inch squared. Now you can pause this video and find the area of this shape just as we did in this example. Okay, Now here each small square on this grid has a side of 1 meter. That means each small square is 1 square meter. Again, this shape does not fit perfectly on the grid. There are two half grid squares here and two triangles which are half of the whole square. So once again, let's count whole small squares first. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 small whole squares. Now again, if we join these two half grid squares, it would make one perfect whole grid square. And these two triangles, which are half of the whole grid square, would also make one perfect whole grid square. That means we got two whole grid squares. Therefore, altogether there are 16 plus 2, which equals 18 small squares inside the shape. Hence, the area of this shape is 18 square meters or 18 meter squared.